Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox Byfront crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox Byfront crashing, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to this window of storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.